Railway. WAGO connection technology is used in a wide range of different rail vehicles, from trams to high-speed trains. Here, we not only ensure that people can get safely from A to B, our products set standards in railway technology, away from the screw to the pure pressure connection technology. Our products are used in the train wherever electricity flows and signals are transferred. WAGO components ensure safety in rail traffic and on train stations. Our WAGO experts, operating worldwide, enable us to continuously exchange with our customers and take the requirements of railway standards and customer wishes into account already during product development. We set ourselves the challenge of reliable and maintenance-free durability, and successfully so since 1977.